my name is Vana SUPERNOVA. Thank you for joining me on this glorious day. Could have been anywhere, but you chose to be here with me. Today I am meal prepping. For those of you who are new here, I'm on the keto diet. So essentially how this all started, my doctor wanted me to lose some weight due to vision problems, etc. I actually went to the optometrist for a regular, checkup, and they're like, hey, there's some swelling in the back of your eye. Sent me to a specialist. Specialist says you need to lose weight ASAP. So I have until April 30th to lose as much weight as possible. That's what kickstarted this whole keto thing, and I'm bringing you guys along with me on this journey. So today I am meal prepping. Why am I meal prepping? Well, because if I do not meal prep, I tend to buy unnecessary items that I don't necessarily get the best nutritional value from, and it's expensive to be buying, all the time. So I think that it's best that I pretty much plan out my meals for the remainder of the week. I think right now, yes, it's Tuesday, so I'm a bit late on the meal prepping, but failing to prep is prepping to fail. So I'm gonna go ahead and still do it because, I still have many more days to come. So essentially everything that I'm gonna be cooking is from my haul that I did, and I'm gonna go ahead and link that in the description below, and you might see it posted or pop up here somewhere, just so you're familiar with the items that I'm using. I don't have any special recipes or anything like that. I'm in a group on Facebook, and that's pretty much where I get a lot of my meal inspiration from. Oh, Pinterest as well. I'm gonna try and make a board of all my keto meals and keto ideas, etc., etc. And I'm also adding some of these meals to my planner. If you watch my planner video with my recipe book, a lot of these are going in my recipe book because I haven't had them already, but I feel like I'm gonna love them. So if you're interested in this video, please make sure you like it so I know to make more like it. And for those of you who are new here, if content like this interests you, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Okay, enough rambling, guys, let's get it.
All right, you guys, so we're starting off with some breakfast. I'm about to grab my peppers, my eggs, and gather them all together so that I have everything in front of me. This is the Black Label Maple Bacon. If you are strict keto, might want to stay away from that because there's a lot of sugar. I don't like to use too much egg yolk, so I opt to use the all white. I think that with the all white, you have just a little bit less cholesterol in your meals. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and crack enough for a 4-day supply, plus, the all white. I'm about to prep for my bacon frying. I usually put my bacon in the oven, but because I think Mag was using the baking sheet thing, pan, whatever, he was using the oven, so I couldn't use the oven. I had to fry my bacon. Ooh, girl, you saw that thing almost pop me in the face? Child, this is why I be baking my bacon. Over here trying to get me. So while that's frying, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my all whites into my egg mix. So I have just enough for the 4-day period. And child, look at these peppers, honey. Yes. I'm putting my peppers out just so my peppers are essentially going to be used to mix with my egg. I'm grabbing some pepperoni because while that is frying, I'm going to go ahead and use pepperoni as one of my snack options. I'm also going to boil some eggs, enough for a 4-day supply. I'm using them for my salad and for a snack by itself. So you see why I wanted to use the all whites, child. Can't have too much. So now we are moving on to snacks. So I'm chopping up these cheese strips and I'm putting them each into a container. So I have cucumbers, pepperoni, and these almonds I'm going to be using on the side. The spinach is actually for lunch. It's pre-washed and ready to eat, so I can go ahead and put them straight into the bin. In this case, these are pre-washed, so I'm gonna go ahead and trust the system, child. Trust me. Getting the pre-wash is very convenient if you're on the go. So on top of that, I'm adding some Kraft Sharp cheddar just because I love cheese, and on keto, cheese is life. I'm using these grape tomatoes on the side, and once I get to work or wherever I'm at for lunch, I'm gonna go ahead and combine everything, of course. This chicken and shrimp, oh my gosh, y'all. I do not know what the heck I put in here, but it was so delicious, y'all. I had to, sneak a bite. This is what I'm gonna use for dinner. It's my protein, and I'm gonna go ahead and plate that as well. I'm doing really, really, really small portions, as you can see, but I'm having many meals, so it's fine.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm back. So I've completed my meal prep, everything's lined up, and we're just gonna run through everything I'm gonna be eating for the next 4 days. So for breakfast, I'm doing scrambled egg with trio pepper and shredded cheese on top. I use sharp cheese from Kraft.
and then I'm having bacon on the side, 2 slices per day. For snacks, I am doing cucumber with pepperoni slices, cubed cheese, and an egg. And for lunch, I am doing a spinach salad. I'm doing graped tomatoes on the side. I'm probably gonna like put everything like on one side like that, just so I could put the dressing in one little cube by itself. I don't know if I'm gonna package it separately. I gotta find a keto friendly type dressing to have. And then for dinner, keeping it simple, I am doing sauteed green beans and chicken with shrimp. So that is pretty much my meal for the next 4 days. Okay, so what I didn't take into consideration is my sweet tooth, and lately I've been having a big one, so I don't want that to be my downfall. So what I did was take about 2 strawberries and 4 blackberries and put them in little baggies, so that when I have my little sweet tooth moment, I have something that's readily available. Now this will bring my carb count up for the day, but I'm okay with that because I rather have something like blackberries and strawberries versus having a cookie. So I'm fine with that. That's just what I'm choosing to do. I think I'm gonna start counting macros starting with this meal prep. I know I'm probably over and probably not following, you know, strict keto regulations, whatever, but it's a start. So I'm content with what I have here, and I'm gonna continue to do my research and continue to try and modify this so that it's more keto diet friendly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this and see how this works for me, and if it does, then I'll continue on this track. If not, I'll modify it to the point where it works for me and my regimen. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up everything. The kitchen is a hot mess. I do want to thank you guys for joining me today. I had an extremely good time cooking with you guys and meal prepping with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss a thing. All right, till the next video, I will see you